The most productive and most successful people, they tend to write their to-do lists a little bit differently. They tend to only have 3 things on their to-do list. The most important thing I want to get done today, the most important thing I want to get done tomorrow, and then one more thing if I get through both of those things today. When psychologists look at that kind of to-do list, that kind of goal setting, they refer to those goals as being stretch goals. Instead of simply coming up with a list of mundane tasks, I'm trying to put the most important things, my biggest ambitions, on a piece of paper. And then I'm going to prioritize those because I know if I get those goals done, that will actually be game-changing. That will be genuine productivity. The problem, though, is that for many people, when you put down your stretch goal on a piece of paper, it can feel incredibly overwhelming. So what psychologists say you should do is that once you write down your stretch goals, you need a system of how to break that into a plan, to tell yourself how to start, how to make it smaller. And one of the most successful ways of doing this is what's known as SMART goals. You take this big stretch goal, and then you have 5 questions you need to answer. S, specifically, what do you want to get done? M, how are you going to measure success? Does it mean that you just need to write the plan? Do you need to do a little bit of research? A, is this achievable? Is this something you can actually get done today? And if not, let's scale it down a little bit. R, realistic. What resources do you need to make this realistic? And then T, timing. How long is this going to take? Give yourself a deadline. And here's what we know from the research, is that if you have a to-do list that's filled with 3 stretch goals, and you just take a minute per stretch goal and you just tell yourself SMART, just break it down into a plan. Specifically, what do I want to do? How do I measure it? Is it achievable? What do I need to make it realistic? What's the deadline, the timing for it? Then study after study shows that's going to increase your productivity enormously.